You have been using AI completely wrong. But if you add this one simple step that I'll share with you in this video, your results will be much better. Most people use AI like a basic search engine. You type a vague question and you get a generic, boring answer. Because of this, people are literally paying thousands of dollars to go to university to study prompt engineering. But you don't need a degree. You just need to understand these 4 pillars. To get mind-blowing results, your prompt needs 4 things: role, task, context, and format. You have to tell Copilot who it's acting as, what its task is, be specific here, and make sure you give it some background context as well as exactly how to format your output. When you combine these 4 pillars, the results are truly magic. But let's be honest, who has the time to write such a long, detailed paragraph every time you open Copilot? Here's the industry secret. You don't need to learn how to write the perfect prompt. Instead, use meta prompting and get Copilot to write the prompt for you. Instead of guessing, give Copilot one simple command. I want you to act as an expert prompt engineer. My goal is, insert task, ask me 5 questions about my goal and use my answers to write the perfect prompt for yourself. Here's an example. Instead of saying, fix my resume, use meta prompting. Copilot interviews you, asking you relevant questions about your job title as well as your recent achievements. You answer and it generates a massive super prompt just for you. Now here's the most important step. Copy that super prompt, open a brand new chat so Copilot has a completely clean memory, and paste it in. It will instantly generate a flawless, recruiter-ready resume. So, stop staring at the chat box trying to figure out how to write the best possible prompt and let Copilot do the heavy lifting for you instead. Let us know down in the description how you use meta prompting, and remember to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.